The new year is coming, and on January 1st, you can still be in the same place you are now, or you can be completely empowered, conquering your challenges, and really be starting a fresh new page in your life. And you can do it magically with me right by your side each step of the way. Imagine having a life where each day you have the excitement of receiving a special magical tool from me to open up and then work with that day for 30 days. This is a beautiful way to imbue 30 days with magic and happiness and joy and power and abundance in ways that are life changing. I am talking about the 30-day magical mindset makeover. Over the course of 30 days, together with me at your side, you will learn how to do magic, real magic. You will believe in your own power to direct your life, and you will have the knowledge and tools to do so. Each day, you will have the delight of receiving an exquisite magical practice and the tools to learn a new empowering magical skill. If you would like to find out more about the 30-day magical mindset makeover and sign up to get on the waiting list to be notified when spaces become available, then just go to magicalmindsetmakeover.com. This is a beautiful, beautiful 30 days that you and I will spend together. Each day, I will be sending you, you'll have a beautiful gift to open. You'll have tools, and I'll be teaching you how to use it. And I'll be checking in with you every single day. And if you would like to do that with me, just go to magicalmindsetmakeover.com, sign up, and you'll get on the waiting list. And as soon as spaces become available, we'll let you know. So I would love to do that for you. And also, this is a beautiful way to start your new year off with a bang. Really, a really wonderful way to treat yourself. So treat yourself to that beautiful one-on-one bespoke experience. And I hope you will. Go check it out, magicalmindsetmakeover.com.